Today, we'll be cooking up a chicken Alfredo flavored essay, but the strategies we cover in today's dish will help you tackle any essay you create. So let's get started. First, let's rewind to the beginning. Earlier today, I opened up my cookbook. You'll notice there are a lot of different topics in my cookbook, just like there are many topics you can write about. The trick is choosing just one. Once you have a topic, it's time to do some research. Alexa, what is farfalle pasta?
Farfalle is usually defined as pasta shaped with scalloped edges and pinched in the middle, suggestive of a bow tie.
Once you've gathered your information, it's time to outline your essay. Think of your outline as your essay recipe. A key part of your outline and your finished product is your thesis. It's your main ingredient. What other ingredients does your thesis need to taste better? Your recipe should answer that question. Now that you've outlined, it's time to start cooking up the actual essay. All good dishes need a good first ingredient. Essays are no different. They need a solid, grabbing introduction. In this case, butter will do nicely. Now that your readers are buttered up and ready to keep reading, it's time to write the body of your essay. Let's bring in all the ingredients that will make your thesis tastier and stronger. We'll first add some half and half, let it simmer, and then we'll need some garlic and a whole lot of cheese. Don't forget to keep tying in your thesis. Add relevant quotes to your essay. It's adding ingredients that someone pre-made to make your thesis even better, just like this pre-cooked chicken. Just remember to give credit. To finish this essay off, we need some concluding ingredients. Nothing surprising, but just enough flavor to tie things up and leave the reader craving more. I find parsley and pepper to be particularly effective here. Well, the essay is done, but it's not perfect. It's revising time. Go back and clean up what you've created and make sure it's presented as beautifully as your masterpiece deserves. I'm pretty sure this is how the pros do it. Once it's plated, serve that essay up and turn it in. Join me again next week when we fry up some research strategies. Catch you later.